ran out of potatoes.
Yeah, it was a crazy 4th of July weekend. We went through, let's see, 50 bags of 50 pounds of potatoes, so 2,500 pounds of potatoes. We ran through so many potatoes, and again, we have a wonderful community that just understands and works with us, which we're really grateful for, because sometimes it just happens.
Every time that we come down, this is where we're eating. It has the best food in town, unless I'm cooking. So if I'm cooking, then we're going to eat my food. But okay, I'm here with Gaya. We are at the Potato, and you are an owner of the Potato.
Yes.
So what got you into cooking and food industry?
Really fell in love with the fact that food is like really one of the only things that brings a community together. Like, so much can be going on, and we're going to gather around a big plate of food at the end of the day. So I just really love that I get to bring joy to a community that I was born and raised in, and just be able to like provide jobs to my friends and be able to work with them and just have such a great environment, and like maybe change the way that the restaurant industry is framed too. Really trying to create a positive work environment here, and just I really enjoy all of that. So. This has been my 4th year owning and operating the Potato, but it's like at least my 8th year working here. I started when I was 14, or about the legal age that you could start working back in the day. Yeah, I started working front of house, and then I just slowly learned every position. So been here quite a while. Yeah.
Right on. And it's really nice because it's right here on the harbor. They've
really
got
can't beat it.
Outside dining, they've got inside dining. There's so much to offer right here. Do you want to take us on a little bit of a tour?
Yeah, of course. This is our beautiful front of house. Our menu's pretty simple. We keep it small, but my favorite part is that pretty much everything except for one thing on here is homemade. We smoke our own pork, we make our own chorizo, we make our own sausage, we make our own burgers, pork, all of it. You can taste that it's made with love. There's a lot of heart put into it, which is, I think, what keeps people coming back. It's a really good community staple. I also really love our drink selection. We have a lot to offer, craft beverages that a lot of people don't have.
And you got local Alaskan made.
Yes, and then we also have a beer. I don't know if you guys drink, but I'd love to pour you up a B is for Beer Hazy IPA. It was made just for us by Girdwood Brewing. It's a hazy IPA. It's nice and fruity. We have this on tap at all times, and it's definitely a fan favorite. So hopefully you like that. Yeah.
Cheers. I like that, but I like this even more.
You want to see how the potatoes are twirled?
Yes.
That's a really fun process.
Yes, we do.
Melanie, would you twirl some potatoes for them? Thank you. So right now we're working on getting a custom welded outside, because we blow through like one potato twirler a day, or like a year. So we used to hand crank the potatoes. So now we've upgraded to mechanical. And just like that, you get a house-made curly fry, which is really exciting.
That is so much easier than the fries that I made the other day.
Yeah. And then we have our lovely line going, just busting shit out right now. And then we have our dining room with all local artists. We have Robert Smith with his gift cards. And then we have Heidi Frank and Celeste Addison, who supplies a lot of our art. So it's a really cozy environment.
And what's your favorite thing on here?
Oh my gosh, that smoked salmon chowder is a new addition, and we smoke our own salmon, and I put some love into that. So anything that goes into the smoker, my heart's gone into it. If I'm feeling like I really need to fill up that pulled pork over rosemary garlic fries with barbecue. Barbecue's also house-made.
Sounds delicious. We're going to have to see if they're willing to get our Chef Dad smoked salt added to their seasoning list.
But yeah, this is Madison. She is our front of house.
Hello. A lot of my mutual friends and stuff have worked here, and they've loved it and told me how great it was working here. And I can say I definitely agree. I love it. I love working here. It's a good team environment. And then here in particular, because we really take time to hand make everything, and I really feel like everybody puts their heart into it to make sure it's good quality. Everything tastes the same. It's consistent.
What's your favorite thing on the menu?
I would say is the cheesesteak. It's delicious. And when we have it, the chili. I love the chili. I feel like my gut's healthier when I eat things that are from scratch,
Absolutely. That's why at home we don't have any boxed food. Very rarely.
There's not much that comes in a bag here. I think you should come to Valdez because it's a beautiful coastal place in Alaska. It's very unique. It's a mountain town, and we're known for like our beautiful waterfalls and our wildlife. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, so what should people do if they see a long line when they come up here?
If I see a long line, I personally would call in and then go and enjoy the view, or go to the beach over here and hit Homestead Trail. That's a beautiful little view just while waiting. Or I would wait in the line and get myself a nice beer that's on tap, one of our local beers. That'd be a good idea. We have a great crew in the back, and they take their time to make sure not only the food is good, but we get it out at an efficient time. Make sure that the customer is happy by the end of their visit. We have these beautiful hoodies that I love. They're gorgeous. I'm so happy when I see people wearing them because I can be like, I work there.
People I do have are just incredible. I have the most amazing staff, so I'm really grateful for that. And they just pump out some delicious food all day long.
I know it's seasonal.
Yeah.
Here. So do you stay open in the wintertime? No. Okay. Okay. Let's hear about that.
Yeah, I just that was one of the things that drew me to this place and getting into ownership is that I was able to travel in the winter. I knew that I never wanted to stay in Valdez full time, so yeah, I'm able to travel as much as I want in the winter, and then I put my roots in the summer and get to live that lifestyle, which I feel really grateful for. We are open from May 1st to September 10th to 15th, depending. Okay. And then we have an awesome end of the year party. There's a big potato bar and a live band, so cool. It's definitely worth coming out, and we pretty much auction off any extra food items we have, so it's a good bargain at the end of the season.
And when do you do that?
Usually September 12th to 13th.
That's the middle of moose season.
Oh.
I will not be here. This is a mixed industry in here. So there's, guide boats, there's commercial boats, there's a lot of fishing industry in here. Later in the season, there's some hunting industries that go on in here. So that it's a big mixed bag. So everybody's got to work together and function as one team. There's a lot of people that that aren't from here that are out there fishing right now. And how does that work out?
Works great. They're just happy to be out there. They're just excited. Yeah, they are also really excited to get a beer afterwards. So
they come here.
Perfect. Yeah, it's like an advertisement out there. Like, I need a beer right now and some warm food. So I think Valdez is really lucky with all the food options it has here. For being a rural community, like we're really lucky with between Nat Shack and Bees Hive and Locos Gringos, like all those little places. It's just we're so incredibly lucky for the choices that we have.
This is us in Valdez. Come enjoy it. Come check out the potato if you're ever down here. Make a trip special. Don't worry about the Michelin star. Do the Chef Dad star. The potato is definitely on the list. YouTube picked this video for you. I picked that video for you. Right over here, it's going to cover her up. That's the subscription button. Push it. I need every one of you. Thanks, everybody.
Hello, I'll see you later while I'm watching this on YouTube.